Seizures is the number one question that I get. What about the seizures if I stop drinking alcohol? And your question is, can you have a seizure as a part of your withdrawal symptoms when you quit, but have no other withdrawal symptoms? Yeah, absolutely. No single person acts or responds exactly the same. Thousands of people reach out to me every single month. And even today, someone says, hey, I'm feeling this, I'm feeling that. Is this normal? I thought I was going to feel this and I thought this was going to happen. So much of our assumptions is I'm going to have a seizure, I'm going to have a heart attack, I'm going to need a hospital, I'm going to have to quit my job, I'm going to have to do all these things. All of those thoughts and realities are amplified because we're under the influence or we're not in an active state of sobriety. It takes 4 days for alcohol to 100% process out of your body. So if you haven't gone 4 days with no alcohol, you are still influenced by alcohol in one way or another. Most people don't have major withdrawal symptoms. Today, someone reached out to me and said, hey man, I have no withdrawal symptoms at all. Is it possible that I might have them in a few weeks? Absolutely. It depends on how much you're drinking and for how long. I'm an ex-alcoholic. I used to drink 30 shots a day. So my withdrawals literally killed me because I was so heavily addicted to the poison that I needed it to live. Most people's circumstances are not and will never be as dramatic as mine, which is why I continue to show up. If your thoughts about withdrawal is the reason why you continue to drink, two things I want you to know. The longer you drink, the higher risk you are for extreme withdrawals. So it is important that we practice drinking less alcohol today to lower our risk of having any withdrawals at all. And on that note, most people are going to have basic withdrawal symptoms that feel like a hangover. You've had a hangover. Remember the last time you had one? You said you were never going to do that again, yet here we are. That is what happens when we stretch out our alcoholic behavior for too long. On that note, I want everyone to know that a high tolerance is your body's preparation for addiction. So if you do have a high tolerance, I want you to understand that your body is ready to take on a full-blown addiction because technically you can handle it. If you need support, I'm encouraging you to take a look at Beyond Sober, and you know exactly how to get a hold of me.